How's it going, guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Dyson Solarcycle Desk Light. Thank you to Best Buy for sending me this product for free to try. The Dyson Solarcycle Desk Light comes flat packed in its box, and the assembly instructions are printed on the underside of the box lid. You'll receive the weighted base, which measures 7 inches in diameter and weighs around 5 pounds, a locking ring for securing the vertical track to the base, vertical track measuring 26.5 inches tall with a pre-installed carriage at the top, 30-inch ungrounded power cord for the 30-watt power supply with 9.5-foot cord, lamp head and horizontal arm assembly, and quick start card and instruction manual. Assembly takes only a few minutes, though despite Dyson's best efforts to keep the packaging recyclable, there's still some single-use plastics, like the protective film over the glossy white base. The bottom of the vertical track has a threaded disc that fits into the center of the base. Then to secure it, place the locking ring onto the threads from the underside and turn clockwise to tighten. This can be done by hand, and no special tools are needed. Next, plug the power connector into the center of the bottom of the light and press the cable into the guide channel. Before installing the horizontal arm, be sure to remove the blue tape near the power contacts. The Dyson logo appears at the back of the arm, and the power contacts consist of 4 gold pins in a plastic clip. There's a removable sticker describing the mode buttons on the light. The first icon is the resync function, which allows the light to adjust its settings automatically based on the time of day and your location provided in the Dyson app, in order to produce a simulated natural daylight in an effort to reduce eye strain. The second toggles on and off the motion sensor with a fixed 2-minute timeout, and the third uses an ambient light sensor to adjust the brightness of the light for constant brightness based on background light conditions. You can remove this sticker if you no longer need the reminders. The mode buttons are located just behind the lamp head, and underneath you can see each button has its own LED indicator, and adjacent are the light and motion sensors. The bulb is integrated into the lamp head and not replaceable, though it's rated with a 60-year lifespan, well beyond the 5-year warranty period. It consists of a silver reflector and 6 bright LEDs. On top of the fixture, you'll find a touch control for power and touch sliders for brightness and color temperature, adjustable from 100 to 1000 lumens and 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin respectively. Connecting the horizontal rod with its matching connector requires you to push the top wheel forward, which is on a spring. Then insert the horizontal arm, aligning the connectors, and allow the top roller to slide back into place on the top track. Both bottom wheels should be seated in the track on the underside, allowing the horizontal arm to glide forward and back smoothly. Now we can unwrap the white counterweight on the vertical track and remove the remaining blue tape. Once assembled, the light can continuously rotate 360 degrees in either direction without any issue. Sliding the counterweight up and down will move the horizontal arm in the opposite direction, with a max lamp height of 23 inches and minimum height of 4 inches above your tabletop. The horizontal position of the light can be placed 7 inches to 17 inches from the center column, and you can freely change the light's position in 3-dimensional space while it's on without a problem. The light source, however, cannot be rotated and will always point straight down at your work surface. To turn the light off, just tap the power button. The arm is even reversible if you need to install it in the opposite orientation. Just make sure the counterweight is lowered before unclipping the arm. Brightness and color can be adjusted incrementally by sliding your finger along the control bars. However, you can also tap on them to jump to a specific setting. Multiple modes can be active at the same time. For example, the motion sensor and the ambient light sensor can be activated. The syncing function, however, will only work after you've set up your location in the Dyson app. So let's do that now. The app is called My Dyson, and when adding a new device, the light should pop up automatically, since it broadcasts a Bluetooth signal. You'll hold your phone near the light, then press the resync button, which should be flashing. Once paired, select the room that it's in, and register your product by selecting its date of purchase. In order to use the intelligent light tracking feature, you'll need to set the light's location. The app also lets you view the light's status, choose presets like study or relax, or define a custom color and brightness combination with granular control and save it as a new preset. There is an age adjust feature, which uses your birth year to adjust brightness levels as well, though I've never actually been able to get that to work, as it consistently gives me a connection failed message. You can set schedules for away mode, which turns the light on and off in random intervals between 4 p.m. and 11 p.m. If used in the bedroom, wake-up mode can gradually brighten the light over a 30-minute period on selected days of the week and times for a gentle waking experience. And sleep mode delivers a warm and soft light at night. I really like the motion sensing setting, as the light will turn on when I enter a room so I can sit and read in my favorite chair. If I need more light, it's available at the touch of a button, or I can reposition and shift the light to my needs. The light also automatically turns off after I've left the room, saving energy and effort. Near the base of the light on the vertical track is a USB-C charging port. This port can be used to charge your mobile device at a rate of 1.5 amps at 5 volts, or 7.5 watts, so not fast charging, but it works in a pinch. Overall, the Solarcycle Desk Lamp is a task light with modern industrial aesthetics reminiscent of 3D printing gantries. Its unique design is made from durable materials like aluminum, copper, and shiny white plastic, with a clean, minimalist look. There are various modes for a lot of different scenarios, and these offer a personalized and versatile lighting experience, whether you need bright focused light for a particular task or diffuse soft light for relaxation. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.